Hey guys, what's up? So today
Doing a mukbang.
Duh.
Why would it be for sale? I just got this.
Okay, there. Sorry.
I mean, I'll sell it.
So what's up, guys? I'm back. Did my makeup today. I normally don't do like the whole eyeliner type thing, but I thought I'd try something new today. So we have 5 freaking corn dogs. I know for a fact that I won't be able to finish this. I will be like hella surprised if I do. But I normally only eat 2. And last night I pushed it. I like never eat 3. I literally like never eat 3. But I ate 3 last night. So yeah. We have a little tray of barbecue.
And I got some hot
Barbecue and ketchup. It's gonna be on the side over here or something, right behind the camera. And then we have a little napkin over here in case we need it. And then we have multiple behind the camera. So I have lip gloss on, which is gonna be a pain in the butt. Actually, I might want to take it off first.
Can I have that or use it?
This?
Yeah.
Why?
Wipe off mine so I can drink this.
Okay.
Dude, you guys can't even start it. Dude, I'm calling the cops. I'm calling the cops.
They're like, okay.
Yo, I'm calling the cops.
This one's kind of like falling off. It's wavy.
Alright.
Okay, let's go for it. Okay, so they are like not completely warm, so I put them, I mean they're like warm, but not warm as how I want them to be. So I put the other ones back in there for about 3 more minutes. So yeah, we're gonna finish this one. And we'll pull that one out. And we just put barbecue sauce on. We call them balls.
You know the life hack at Starbucks? Yeah.
What?
You get a small drink and you get a large / venti drink, cup of ice, and then you put the Starbucks drink in the large venti of ice, and then you have a large drink, large / venti. Do you know why they call it venting?
I don't really care.
Oh, see, look it. Let me try
Yeah,
this.
you should try the Oregon chai that I have. Okay.
I hate coffee.
Did you feel the ice thing?
Yeah.
Okay. How much coffee?
Do I need more milk?
Yeah. I wouldn't waste all the milk on it.
What about chocolate milk? Yeah, let's try chocolate milk in it. Isn't that gross?
Ew. But you can try it. Play face. Okay. Let's get out the other ones out of the oven. And I'll be back when they're right here. I have a little problem. So look at my eyeliner. They're like not the same. I can tell. Like.
Actually, probably no, get
Yeah.
So who's that?
Okay, I kind of adjusted the camera so I don't have to like bend down, but like that's kind of the situation now.
She's tall. Oh yeah.
Not like super tall, but yeah, tall enough.
Oh, Ditsy! Who tall are you, Ditsy? Ditsy, coffee.
Just
No,
catch
that's
up.
my coffee. No. And you get another drink.
I got 3 drinks. I got 3 drinks.
Monica, that's good. What do you mean?
I got 3 drinks. Yay.
That's good. It's iced coffee.
I got 3 drinks.
Mm.
You would put milk in there, which is like.
So, I've been recently going on Monkey and stuff. But we went on Omegle and all that. But it was gross, so we went on. Can I have one? I thought you hated them.
I'm hungry. I don't want to get anything else.
Wait.
Let me see if there's anything else.
No,
I don't really like them. Ooh, you guys have Greek yogurt? Yum.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna have not this.
Hey, I was gonna drink.
This is a smooth strawberry one. Usually they have clumps of strawberry, but this one doesn't, which I like, but I also like the clumps of strawberries. This coffee is disgusting.
Mmm.
Don't ask why I eat my yogurt with the fork.
I know what I forgot.
What?
Artica, that is good. I'm trying to look for yogurt. I want strawberry yogurt. I want strawberry yogurt.
Look for it.
I want one with the seed, with the holder.
It's still good. And it's currently like 1:30ish. Well, like 1:22. Exactly.
Yeah.
So, I wanted to talk about
I want some of that. Can you open it for me? Please. I love coffee.
some like scary type stories. So we're gonna talk about another one. Well, like
I'm not giving you
a story from what is it called? Mr. Nightmare. Really good YouTube channel, has really good stories. We're gonna talk about that. So if you guys wanna like know like the regular story, it's just like go under their thing and you know.
Melanie,
Yeah.
I know the secret now. He told me.
No, but don't kill this.
There's nothing wrong with me.
So
Here.
the story is it's about a like stalker type weird kid. So this guy, I believe he was in high school or middle school, can't remember. You guys can also go check out the original story. I'm not very good at stories, so yeah. He didn't have anywhere to sit, so
I saw a purple one.
it was like lunchtime, and you know.
What's this?
So we saw this kid, and he was like, "Okay, let's just go sit down. Let's just go sit with him and eat lunch." And he was like right off the bat, he was kind of weird, you know, just like weird, you know. And so he just was like, whatever. He goes home and everything, and then he gets an ad, not an ad, yeah, an ad on Snapchat from the kid, and he was like, I don't remember giving the kid my Snapchat. He didn't think anything of it. He accepted it.
I'm looking for a straw.
Why do you need a straw?
She give me it?
Where'd the star go?
I think she's the one.
No, I already got one.
So, he got a message like right away from the kid. And he was like, you know what, we're just gonna like show that we're like not exactly interested. So he waits a little bit, and then he opens it.
I'm single. I'm single.
Stop it! Elsa! I
Yo, chill!
Just give her some, and she's gonna cry about it.
I did give her some.
So, you know, he starts getting these like demanding text messages like, why are you ignoring me and all that stuff. And then he waits.
You're hog.
I believe he waits till the morning.
You think the hog.
And then he finds,
Hey, what's up?
he opens it and he finds pictures
The ones you have,
of
the ones we've been eating.
the window. No, it was
here.
nighttime. Yeah, it was nighttime. He opened it and he saw pictures of his window.
So you like?
I didn't chug it. You drink a
I'm
lot
not gonna
of
talk
it,
about
Aiden.
it.
So,
I know. I just caught myself, Melanie.
Oh no, I had no idea that you were talking about anything.
Sure.
I didn't though.
Really?
I was thinking about my story. And I can't remember half of it.
Aiden, are those chicken nuggets?
They're the same.
No, they're not. They look different. Sure.
So, went to bed, woke up. He opened the Snapchats and he saw pictures
Guys, you know
of,
I can make a strawberry smoothie right
you know,
now.
his house getting closer, like
Aiden,
pictures getting closer every
Make a
picture.
strawberry smoothie right now.
And the most creepiest one was of him sleeping.
Strawberries.
Creepy.
There's a blender.
There's a blender. There's yogurt. And there's milk.
We need sugar.
So about the whole
No, you
thing
don't. No.
about
you
me
don't
being
put
on Monkey was that
unless you want to. But
The line. Really?
people were like
are you sure
talking to
that
me,
you are?
and then when I would show my face, they were like,
You are?
"You're a fat cow, like you eat way too much." And I'm like, bruh, I know there's people out there that eat way more than me.
You don't even eat that much.
I'm like I'm not saying that like, oh, you're like super like fat if you eat a lot, but like, and I'm not saying it's bad to eat a lot. I'm just saying that I don't eat a lot. Like I used to not eat breakfast, like, and then I'd eat lunch and then dinner. Like,
Does your mom know the secret?
No.
Do you want her to know?
I honestly just think that it's something that I wouldn't talk about right now because you're young. I'm not saying it's horrible like at that age to know.
Yeah, but he doesn't actually know that he is.
But like, no, that's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that like, you're so young, you have middle school to still do. And like, coming out of the womb knowing exactly what you are is like, no. I'm just saying like, I think maybe you should experiment more. But like,
Is the hot dog still in the oven?
I'm eating them right now.
You're not full.
I'm getting there. Like, it's probably because I'm eating a little bit faster. But
She's taking
my stomach.
Give it to him.
He cleaned it.
Of his.
He took it up the hill.
No, you did. I saw you.
I just got some Snapchat notifications.
No, I want to clean.
No, you're not getting any more.
Okay.
You said we can chill.
You had
You
half of
guys
it.
don't need coffee though.
She literally just drank half of the coffee.
Okay? And you don't need much coffee either. I don't need you acting all crazy.
Are you thinking a lot?
Yo, bro. I see your keys. I need to move your...
I'm taller than her.
No, they're not. They could see your thigh.
Don't pick me up.
Would be like, oh, no, he's not good. I'm a nice guy. He believes me.
Right now, Andy Mack is on.
I used to watch Andy Mack every day.
No, I don't.
You used to.
I used to. But, I mean,
Stop it now.
I got behind.
Now all we need is the X-ray.
Oh, some water.
Cheat code activated, baby.
Wow.
Here's my shot. That doesn't all the girl.
LOL.
Get yourself some your own water.
I can chug that water all the way down.
Why do you guys keep saying that? Huh? Why do you guys keep saying that?
Doubt that.
Who do you like, James or Tati?
We're not starting that back up.
James.
James.
I'm guessing
James.
at a perfect angle.
But I do like James.
James.
Once a sister, always a sister.
James.
I don't like that whole lighting issue.
I like James.
Oh my god.
There we go. The shot's already better.
Oh my god.
That means you're three persons like James. And you only like.
I ruined my lashes. Ew, I got like a water mustache. I ruined my lashes before.
Look at that highlight.
Put it on the water.
Kind of a little bit more natural. Well, I hope you guys
Not the
enjoyed.
last one.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe to become part of the gang. And peace.